Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Ash from GBKicks coming at you guys with another video. Today we have an Air Force One low cleanup slash restoration. So yeah, let's get into the restoration slash little cleanup on these shoes, man. So see style code on the back. GBKicks custom boxes. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when we get started. So the first step you want to do is you want to take the shoes out of the box and slam them on the ground so that the dirt gets off of them. Or you can take this tool and chip it off the sides. I'm doing that right now. It's not even a restoration because, you know, there's nothing too bad about the shoe. It's just a cleanup. After this step, I'm gonna go clean it up with crap. This is cement that got stuck in the shoe when we were working on the deck. First shoe's done. Looks better than it did at the start. Now we gotta do the second. Second shoe starts right now. Gotta get that cement off. What's going on, guys? We're gonna do the step 3 right now. You take the laces off the shoe, and yeah, they're dirty laces because they have cement. Put 50 like pure water, whatever, and bleach, and just put them in the water bottle. This is gonna take a while to do because, you know, like they're pretty long. I'll do them quickly, and then after they're in, shake them up and let them sit for about an hour, and they should be pretty clean, man. Alright, I'll see you guys in step 4 when that's clean the shoes. Bye. Yo, what's going on, guys? This is step 4 to clean the shoe. I have the crepe and the stuff right here. I have the 2 bowls right there. Alright, first step I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe down the shoe with water just to loosen up the mud. This is a Jason Mark brush because I don't care, you know. Loosen up the shoe, get rid of the dirt, the cement, and then I'll go over with crepe right here, boys. Watch out for the shoe, as you can see, man. It's gonna get me and the child really dirty. I'm just going over. I really just want the outsole clean. Yeah, I don't really care about the outsole that much. I just wanted to get the hard part of the clay off. So I'm just gonna do this right now. I'm sorry. Clean the tongue, man. Clean the tongue. Michael Schultz mentality. Yeah, baby. I'm through the baby. I know my and I cannot see myself without you. Wait to see you. I ain't playing no games, I need you. Woo! So guys, that is the first layer, and it already looks way cleaner. Elephant prep, guys. It's gotta work. I'm gonna go over it a couple more times. So guys, that's basically been it. The shoe's way cleaner than how it was when it first started off. So I'll just like at the end put a picture of it, the shoe clean, both of them. But anyways guys, if you like this restoration slash cleanup, please like the video and subscribe. Peace.